Good morning. View on the market from F&O perspective. Well, ahead of the big event, the market has shown a pullback. In the current scheme of things, looking at the price action, it seems like a nice digestive move, giving a lot of stocks at bargain. So, as far as the overall index is concerned, the view remains positive. The correction is a decent opportunity to buy. One can, let the event go by and then take, final decisions. However, as far as the price action is concerned, regardless of the event, 74.50, 74.30 remains a crucial level, and this particular immediate uptrend is also backed by about 6 million shares in open interest and 7,500 put, which is supporting this particular argument of a hurdle on the downside around that 74.30, 74.50 levels. As long as we hold this level, there are chances that favorable odds for Nifty to test our short-term target of about 8,050 on the upside. Thank you.